Hey guys, welcome back to Live Your Style. I'm Sharrah and this is Scout. Can you see her? You guys, she got a haircut. She looks like Bambi. Okay, so today's video is a little bit different than normal. Can you see how skinny she is? Okay, a couple of months ago, Tyler and I made a video. We were announcing that we were moving. We
are
moving
to San Diego.
Well, I kind of teased in that video what we were coming down to San Diego for. We are going and we are partnering back up with my mom. I wasn't able to give you the details then, but now today, we finally are here. And I'm gonna spill the tea and tell you all the things about what's to come. As you guys know, I've been making videos on YouTube for a while, and it has always been my dream to be able to create something bigger than me and bigger than this, and be able to help more of you guys with your spaces and with your homes, and create a community of people all around the world that have a passion for interior design, but also a passion for community and just women helping women, or just people helping people, to be honest. I think it's probably one of the coolest things whenever I see on Instagram or on Facebook, when you guys are sharing your spaces and ways that you've been inspired by these videos, and you share your actual homes with me. I feel like so honored that you asked my opinion. It's just like so cool that I get to be a part of that with you guys. Although I love making videos and I'll always make videos, I know that videos for you guys can only can help so much. Weekly videos are great to watch, they're great inspiration, but they don't go as far as I wish that they would. I wish I could reach into the camera and sit down with each of you guys and just talk about your space and help you one-on-one. Realistically, that hasn't really been an option for me in the past, but it's always been a dream. In the same way, I've always had a dream that Tyler, my husband, would be able to quit his job and join me in this crazy dream and adventure of creating a community where we could actually build a world where we help you guys and where we get to meet you guys and all of that. Now, these are all dreams, crazy things in my head the last few years, something that I've always kind of like had on my mind, right? In order to do that, one of the other things, Tyler and I used to live in LA. LA is great. We had great friends, a great life, but there's a lot of restrictions in California when it comes to like owning property. It's really expensive. There's just a lot of people, and like the dream of having a bunch of kids and living on a bunch of land and let's just sell everything and move. We wanted to take that jump and do something like that one day, and we had talked about all the time. Tyler and I had talked about that together. Something crazy happened December of last year. You guys know my mom, Rebecca Robeson. She's on YouTube here as well. She came to Tyler and I, and she said something crazy. And she asked us, what do you guys think about partnering with me in business and creating a brand with me? And we said, well, what do you think about moving out of California? We kind of determined that our dreams were pretty much fully aligned with being able to help you guys more, being able to create dream homes of our own, and just to go on an adventure. I think my mom, she's in a very unique place in her personal life where she kind of has a bunch of opportunities to do whatever she wants and pick up and move. Tyler and I obviously are young and adventurous, and we would love to do that as well. We obviously have family here. We love California. It's always going to be a part of our hearts, but we definitely wanted to, you know, why not go on an adventure while we can? So after that conversation in December, we basically had like every other weekend, my mom would come to LA or we would come to San Diego, and we would meet and we would talk and we would pray and we would brainstorm and we would dream, and we came up with this crazy idea. It's hard to plan something like this when you're 2 to 3 hours apart. So let's move to San Diego, let's put our plan together, let's get our ducks in a row, let's just go on this adventure, let's create this awesome community. And life is short, and we know what we love doing, and we know that we have all of you guys out there to go on this journey with us. And so we just decided we're in, we're moving, and we are going to do this together. So what the heck am I talking about? What is this thing that we're building? What is this community that I keep referring to? Well, I'm really glad you asked. My mom and I, and Tyler and Elena and Scout, are creating a brand new brand named Kinwoven. And when we sat down and tried to kind of brainstorm what we wanted this to be, the thing that rang true to us is we wanted to create something that had you guys at the center, and that was a way for us to provide more help and more of a community to you guys, because you guys have been a huge part of our life the past 10 years. Now, what the heck is Kinwoven? Kinwoven sounds like a made-up name. What does it mean? Well, Kinwoven is a word that we actually made up, but it's a word that describes the special bond that we have with you guys. We may not be related by blood, and we may not be related like families related, but we are related with this common bond and affinity that we have, which is to make our homes beautiful and to make our surroundings beautiful, because they matter. We feel kinwoven with you guys. Kin means family, woven means made. So the word kinwoven kind of means family made, but it can also mean bonded by a common affinity. Some of you, we've met you, others we would love to meet you, and some we may never meet, but we feel kinwoven with you guys, and it's a brand that we really feel totally describes and represents the bond that my mom and I have together, the bond that we have with you guys, and the bond that this community that we want to build and grow even bigger can have with each other. It's a cool thing when we can get to a point in our YouTube careers, my mom and I, where we can stop and think like, what's the point of it all, and like, what do we want to do with this great audience we've built? It's fun to make videos, like I said, but like being able to create a community where we can actually help you guys and actually connect with you guys, that's what matters. That's what's awesome about what we do. So what exactly is Kinwoven going to be? Kinwoven is a brand that's gonna offer services to actually help you guys with your spaces. We wanna build a gathering place where this Kinwoven community can come to life, where my mom and I can meet you guys can shop our products. We wanna have workshops available where you guys can come and do cool crafts or learn different techniques, but also a place where you guys can shop our products and you guys can bring a little bit of Kinwoven back into your homes. So you guys know we love home decor. We use other people's home decor all the time. And so this has given us an opportunity for my mom and I to design our own decor pieces and just create something that is uniquely us. And to be honest, like this whole YouTube thing has been such a journey for my mom and I, and a lot of you guys have been with us from the beginning. And so how cool is it that like we could create a brand that represents the longevity of our existence here on YouTube and like the relationship we have with you guys, in a way for you guys to have things in your home that represent this really cool community that we have cultivated and that we all have been a part of online. And just be able to build something that's just bigger than ourselves, that services you guys, that helps you guys, and that really makes you guys feel that you are known and that you are loved and that you have a resource if you want to make your homes beautiful and you feel helpless, that you have a place to go to learn online or a place to join courses. We're gonna be launching courses to help you guys really fine-tune your interior design skills. I know this is a lot of information, but I'm like totally just blurting it all out because I've had to keep it under wraps for like 4 months now. So being able to just tell the world just feels so good and just so exciting, and I hope that you guys are just as excited as me. So if you guys have a city that you think would be a good fit for our new Kinwoven headquarters, make sure you leave a comment below because we are going to be checking out all the different options. We're probably looking to move early to mid next year, and so we're doing our research and looking into different towns. So if you want to represent your city, comment below. Now, if you guys want to know all the things to come with Kinwoven and be a part of kind of our group of people that get to know everything first, we have a website. It's still under construction. On the website, you guys will see this awesome video that my mom and I made. It's all about kind of the heart behind Kinwoven and what it means to us and the dream that we have to build something really cool with you guys. So if you guys want to check out that video, click the link below, enter your email in on that mailing list. You guys can get all the good juicy deets before the rest of the world. And if you guys have not yet seen my mom's channel, she uploaded a video today. She hit 1 million subscribers like 2 weeks ago. Isn't that so awesome? So cool. So if you guys have time, go click the link below. You have to see the video she uploaded to celebrate 1 million. She tells her whole story from how she got started and just how cool of a milestone it is to hit 1 million and what it means to her. And it's just an awesome video. So if you have time, go check it out. And I will see you guys next week. We'll be back with a regular video. Thank you guys so much for all of your support and for watching this video. I know it was kind of long and a lot of info, but I'm excited. So go check out the website and I'll see you guys next time.